Welcome back to VTV News. Vietnam is preparing for the election of the 15th National Assembly deputies and People's Councils at all levels for the 2021-2026 term. In remote offshore areas such as the DK1 Platform and the Trường Sa Island district in Khánh Hòa province, the election has even greater significance as it affirms the country's sacred sovereignty at sea. Our reporters visited the Trường Sa Archipelago and DK1 Platform to report on election preparations.
The DK1 platform is located on Vietnam's southern continental shelf. The Navy and local authorities have been preparing for elections to take place at all stations.
Elections in Trường Sa and the DK1 platform are difficult because stations are distributed across an area of 200,000 square kilometers and the islands are far from each other. Preparations must be carried out carefully so that citizens can exercise their rights while also ensuring safety and cost efficiency. The Navy has established 4 subcommittees and 6 election groups to prepare for the upcoming election.
So far, preparations for elections on the DK1 platform and Trường Sa Archipelago have almost been fully completed. On election day, ships will carry ballot boxes to each island and reap where soldiers are stationed, so that every voter can exercise their rights and responsibilities.
We have prepared voter cards for fishermen who are unable to return to the mainland on election day to ensure their rights as citizens.
On Trường Sa Archipelago, many young residents, officers and soldiers will be exercising their voting rights for the first time. They want to be able to convey their expectations to candidates.
I will do research so that I vote for candidates who are talented and have morals to the National Assembly and People's Councils.
I hope the National Assembly and People's Councils pay more attention to socio-economic development and improving people's lives in the border and mountainous areas and islands.
Khánh Hòa Election Committee has asked the National Election Council for permission to hold early elections at 20 polling stations across Trường Sa Island district, as well as Sinh Tồn and Song Tử Tây communes on Sunday, the 16th of May. Trường Sa Island, Trường Sa Town and 3 mainland polling stations in Trường Sa district will vote with the rest of the country on the 23rd of May.